Hello everyone, TechAid TV here. In for today's video is we were going to connect this Brother DCP-T730DW printer using Wi-Fi direct connection into your wireless laptop PC or smartphone. And in this case is we were going to use this laptop to connect our printer via Wi-Fi direct and able to use our printer wirelessly. And without further ado, let's get started. Step 1 is we were going to enable the Wi-Fi direct setting. So press the menu button. Then press down arrow button and go to network. Then press OK. And press down button again and select Wi-Fi direct. Then press OK. Then select manual and then press OK. And then printer's Wi-Fi access name and password appears on its screen. We need this Wi-Fi direct password in order to manually connect our laptop through this Wi-Fi direct network access. Then on your laptop you may click on Wi-Fi icon. Then show all available Wi-Fi network access. And your printer's Wi-Fi direct access should be shown here in the available Wi-Fi access list. So click on your printer's Wi-Fi direct access, then click connect and key in the password. And then click next. And when it is successfully connected into your laptop, connected message appears on your printer screen. Then press OK button, then press exit button to return into your home screen. Then here, normally it has no internet since we are directly connected to the printer's Wi-Fi. Then the next step is we were going to open or go to the control panel. Then click View Devices and Printers. Then go to Printers and Scanners. Then here we were going to add the printer. So just click on Add Device to scan available printers. Then available printers will appear, then just confirm your printer model and click Add Device. Connecting your printer, it may take some time. And just wait until it finishes connecting and installing your printer. Then when it successfully add and install, the printer status shows ready. Then we may now click on Brother DCP-T730DW. So as we can see here, the printer status is in idle, which means we are already connected to the printer wirelessly, so we may now click on Print Test Page to run a test print. So when we have this printout, this means that we have correctly connect and install our Brother DCP-T730DW printer through Wi-Fi direct setup. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.